Welcome to Coal Radio. I am Mona Lisa. Today, March 8th, we observe International Women's Day. Today, we celebrate more than a date on the calendar. We celebrate the courage that wakes before dawn to care for a family, the quiet determination that builds businesses and movements, the bold voices that demand justice and change. For generations, women have carried stories, traditions, and futures on their shoulders. Today, we listen, learn, and lift those stories higher. We honor the incredible women who shape our world. Women are the backbone of humanity. Mothers, daughters, sisters, leaders, and innovators. They make up half the world's population and bring unique strength, empathy, and resilience. From ancient queens to modern icons, women are trailblazers who turn challenges into triumphs. They are the heartbeat of families and societies. Women play irreplaceable roles. A nurturer, they give life, raise families, and instill values that shape the next generation. A provider, from homemakers managing households to leaders in boardrooms. Pillars of society, teachers educating millions, doctors saving lives, farmer feeding nation. Women contribute 40% of India's agricultural workforce. They are the change makers. They fight for justice, education, and rural rights. Despite their power, women face real hurdles: gender inequality, safety and violence, societal pressure, and unequal access to health and services. International Women's Day has roots stretching back more than a century. In 1908, thousands of garment workers marched in the street of New York City demanding better working conditions, fair pay, short hours, and the right to vote. Honoring their bold voices, the Socialist Party of America declared the first National Women's Day, observed across the United States on February 28, 1909, the last Sunday of that month. Women continued marking National Women's Day on the last Sunday of February until 1913. On the eve of World War I, Russian women campaigning for peace. That momentum marked the first International Women's Day on the last Sunday of February, which fell on February 23, 1913 in the Julian calendar. After the international advocacy as per the Gregorian calendar, March 8th was standardized as the date for International Women's Day, which is equivalent to February 23rd in the Julian calendar. The United Nations officially recognized International Women's Day in 1975 and in 1977 designated March 8th as a day for promoting women's rights and global peace. Ever since, it has remained a worldwide observance. The day galvanizes global action against gender inequality. International Women's Day plays a vital role in advancing micro, small, and medium sized enterprises worldwide, fueling their growth and development. It celebrates women's social, economic, cultural, and political achievements while spotlighting women entrepreneurs as key driver of MSME success, the engine of global economic progress. International Women's Day symbolizes its iconic colors, purple, green, and white. Originally adopted by the Women's Social and Political Union in 1908, are the historic colors associated with women's suffrage. Purple stands for justice and dignity and the signal loyalty to the cause. Green represents hope and the promise of progress, and white denotes purity. They are now used worldwide to advance gender equality and women's rights. Many countries observe International Women's Day as an official holiday. International Women's Day is a moment to acknowledge how far we have come towards gender equality and how far we still must go. In 1911, only 8 countries granted women the right to vote. The idea of equal pay for equal work was virtually unknown. Reproductive freedoms were almost non existent, and many women were barred from employment entirely. In 2026, the International Women's Day campaign theme is Give to Gain. The campaign encourages generosity and collaboration, empathizing reciprocity and support as pathway to gender equality. Give to Gain highlights how empowering women leads to shared prosperity. When people, organizations, and communities give generously, opportunities for women multiply. When women succeed in education, leadership, entrepreneurship, science, arts, and politics, the entire community grows stronger. The United Nations theme for 2026 is Rights, Justice, Action for all women and girls. Focuses on removing structural barriers through practical action and calls on individuals, organizations, and governments to invest meaningfully in women. Giving is not subtraction, it's intentional multiplication. When women thrive, we all rise. Whether through donations, knowledge, resources, infrastructure, visibility, advocacy, education, training, mentoring, or time, contributing to women's advancement creates a more supportive and interconnected world. International Women's Day urges reflection on equality and a renewed pledge to empower women. Your generosity today removes tomorrow's barriers and builds shared prosperity. With this, happy International Women's Day to all the amazing women out there. I am Mona Lisa. You were listening to Cold Radio.